సీఎం పెట్టుబడుల వేట, లండన్ పారిశ్రామికవేత్తలతో బాబు భేటీ. టీఆర్ఎస్లో టీడీపీ విలీనం చట్టబద్ధం కాదు, న్యాయస్థానాన్ని ఆశ్రయించే పనిలో విపక్షాలు. సుప్రీంకోర్టు తీర్పు బేఖాతర్, జగిత్యాల ఎంఆర్ఓ ఆఫీస్ సీజ్. లిక్కర్ కింగ్ చుట్టూ బిగుస్తున్న ఉచ్చు, విజయ్ మాల్యాకు నోటీసులు జారీ చేసిన ఈడీ. ఢిల్లీలో సాంస్కృతిక సంబరం, అతిథులతో పోటెత్తిన యమునా తీరం. ఢిల్లీలో ఆర్ట్ ఆఫ్ లివింగ్ సాంస్కృతిక సమ్మేళనం కొనసాగుతోంది. కార్యక్రమానికి దేశ విదేశీ ప్రతినిధులు హాజరయ్యారు. లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
आगे बढ़ते हुए हमारे किसान खुशहाल नहीं है तो ये देश खुशहाल नहीं हो सकता. तभी हमारे देश में भोजन से पहले अन्नदाता सुखी भव ऐसी प्रार्थना की जाती है. हमारे साथ यहां मंच पर कुछ किसान भाई मौजूद हैं. इन किसानों ने जैविक खेती, रसायन मुक्त खेती की मिसाल कायम करी है और पर्यावरण के अनुकूल कृषि उद्योग किया है. अब हम इन अन्नदाताओं को हम पूरे सम्मान के साथ स्वागत करेंगे और इन्हें कृषि रत्न पुरस्कार से सम्मानित करेंगे. इनके नाम हैं श्री दिनेश गुर्जर जी राजस्थान से, जोरदार तालियों के साथ. श्री भागीनाथ यादव महाराष्ट्र, श्री अभिषेक कुमार बिहार से, सुश्री नीलम जी हरियाणा, पद्मा जी कर्नाटक से.
To regain the lost glory of traditional agriculture, the Art of Living Foundation, both at the national and regional levels, has taken initiatives to encourage organic farming and agriculture. Natural farming is now adopted by over 2 million farmers under the guidance of the Art of Living Agriculture Trust. And as a representation of these 2 million farmers, we are now honoring 5 farmers for their contribution to organic agriculture. We would also like to acknowledge and honor that the beautiful Bharatnatyam ensemble that we enjoyed a little while ago was choreographed by Padma Shri Saroja Vaidyanathan ji.
भरतनाट्यम का ये मनमोहक नृत्य जो हमने अभी देखा, ये श्रीमती सरोजा वैद्यनाथन जी की रचना थी. जोरदार तालियां उनके लिए भी.
The farmers taking the blessings and greetings of all the dignitaries on the stage. A big hand to the farmers of India and around the world. It's a moment now to take greetings and hear from the dignitaries from around the world who are with us. We invite His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Hamad Al Sharqi, the Crown Prince of Al Fujairah, from the United Arab Emirates.
Brothers and sisters from all over the world, we are brought together here today by culture as the mean with which humans reflect their diversity and experiences, and the primary tributary for civilization on earth which all people share. This huge artistic and spiritual gathering is no stranger to India, a land rich with cultures and creative diversity. It is wonderful and inspiring to witness such an enormous number of people gathered to meditate and appreciate music, singing, and folk arts. The Arts of Living Foundation has worked for the past 35 years through its diverse humanitarian projects to reform individuals and communities around the world through yoga, breathing techniques, and changing habits, and being in harmony with healthy and spiritual life. This contributed in spreading peace and infusing positive energy in a lot of individuals and communities. And for that, we are thankful to its founder and patron who brought us all together here today. All religions urge us to be ethical and treat people well, to be tolerant of others, to meditate through prayers, yoga, or fasting, to care for nature and animals, and to stay away